You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down all the setups I took this week. This is another green week, man. I won Monday. I lost my first setup on Tuesday. I won my second setup on Tuesday, and I actually took a third setup that I did not share with anybody. So I'm gonna be showing that setup as well. And I won on Thursday. So it was about 4 dubs, 1 loss. So that was, yeah, about 4 dubs, 1 loss. So that was a really good week. I did not look at Euro USD this week. I only traded SPX500 and NAS100. That was it. They both move the same, but sometimes SPX might look cleaner than NAS, and some days NAS might look cleaner than SPX. So it just depends on what I like for the day. But let's just break down all these setups, man. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This past week, bro, y'all was going crazy. Y'all was going crazy, man. Anybody that just watch my story consistently, consistently, y'all know, like, people was going crazy, bro. Catching hella setups, bro. $1,000 days, $2,000 days. And it's just a beautiful thing, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. Everybody just understanding how I trade. And sometimes y'all be mixing your own stuff into it, and that's perfectly fine. Like, y'all don't have to constantly just everything that I do. Like, you can add what makes sense to you. And that's just the beautiful thing about trading. Like, you don't have to follow all the rules. You can create your own rules. And whatever makes sense to you, then you can rock with that. There's no right or wrong way to trade. I mean, it is kind of a wrong way, but we not doing that today. You know what I'm saying? Like, just anyway, let's just get into it. So this is Monday. Let's put the sessions on, and right here it created a supply, but I already had a bias for the week. I had a bias that was gonna be a bullish week, and it was a bullish week. So right here we had where's the marker? We have London low. This right here was liquidity because it haven't been taken out. If you look at the black shaded area, this is New York, 8 a.m. and it finally took out London low. Now, like I said on my liquidity video, most of the time when it take out a session higher low, most of the time it want to reverse. Now, that's not 100%. It's not going to always reverse, but I was prepared because we are at a bank level. I didn't even share SPX500 bank level. So the bank level for SPX500 is in increments of 50. So start at 4,400 and count up in 50 pips, going up in just increments of 50. Increments of 50, okay? Even below increments of 50. So it was at a bank level. It just took out London session low, so I was ready for it to go up. Now, at this point, this box wasn't right there, but I was waiting for it to at least bounce from that area. So let's just play this out. So that was a swing low right there. Once it created that was a swing low, and I was waiting for it to come back. That's a sell that most of y'all took. That supply right there. That's I mean, ain't nothing like that's correct. Don't get me wrong. That's a valid entry, but once it tapped into that zone and it did that, I was already in. So I bought soon as it broke that candle, and my target was London session high. So again, it did another textbook setup. Well, it just did exactly what it was supposed to do. Take out London's low, create a setup, and then take out London high, and then you could have held it. I wish I would have held this because it went to the next bank level, you know what I'm saying, and that was incredible. You know what I'm saying? Like, it went from this level all the way to the next level. So that was Monday's trade. A lot of y'all took NAS100 on Monday. I'm gonna get to NAS100 on after I get done with SPX, but some of y'all took this buy on NAS100, and it was valid. Like, both of them was valid. I just like how SPX was just so clean. Like, it was just, you don't have to think about it. When the setups that you don't have to think about, I love those, because it's just like, okay, whatever, like, I know what I'm looking at, instead of trying to figure out, like, okay, is this a level, like, I use that, like, you know, like, all right, so let's go to Tuesday. Tuesday was a very interesting day. The first loss was very irritating, but it was all good, because I knew that it just wasn't ready to take off. So come on, let's go, come on. All right, so let's break down this setup. So right here, we had a swing low, but this is not why I marked this up. Let me fast forward. Right here, this is why I marked this up, because it wicked down. When it wicked down, it never closed past this low. The body of the candle never closed past that low, and we're on a bank level again. So I took the buy as it broke above, and immediately as soon as I took this buy, lost a quick $800 gone. Like, it was just gone. And I mean, I wasn't mad, but it was just like, damn, like, okay, let's see what happens, because when I lose, I don't just give up on the setup. Like, just because you lost, that don't mean that it's just a plain loser. Maybe it's just not ready yet. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's just not ready to take off. So I thought they grabbed liquidity with this, but they wasn't ready, and it was my fault for even trading the 930 candle anyway. That was kind of like risky anyway. I always say this: trading the New York Stock Exchange Open is high risk. Like, don't think it's always gonna go in your favor. It's just gonna start shooting up. Like, you gonna probably take a loss before you win. That's perfectly fine. So right here, once I got stopped out the zone, I gotta switch the zone, or I have to wait. So I waited, and now I'm starting to see a zone right here. So then I marked up the zone right here, and let's take this off. So I lost that first one, and now I'm waiting for it to give me confirmation that this is a valid zone. Mind you, we still on the bank level, so that's even more confluence. Now we get this other rejection that don't want to come back. So we, you know what I'm saying, we playing on this bank level right here. So now I'm waiting for it to break this candle high, and I'm gonna take my quick 1-to-1, and then I'm gonna be done. I think I have my stop loss underneath the zone right here, something like that, I believe. I gotta check my Instagram story. But as soon as it broke, boom, I'm in for the buy. Instantly, take profit, got hit. Now, so this is a dub. So it was an L right there. I thought that was ready to take off. It was an L. Then I won the second trade, and the second trade was it was like a $600 win. It wasn't that much. It didn't cover that last loss, so I was still kind of negative. So this is the trade that I did not share with Instagram. When I saw it, I'm like, hold on, like usually this kind of how I do it. If I lose once in a day, I would look for another setup, or I'd probably just be done for the day. Or if I win a trade if I lose a trade and I win a trade, I'll be done for the day. Or if I win 2 trades, I'm done for the day. If I lose 2 trades, I'm definitely done for the day. But I lost a trade and I won a trade, and I'm like, do I want to trade for a third time? But I saw a high probability demand right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, hold on, that's demand right there. So I took off the support, and I had my demand. I'm waiting on it. Now I had a buy limit on this because we got a gap attached to it. You know what I'm saying? We got a gap attached to it. So if it come back into that, I'm instantly buying right there on the top of that box. So I had a buy limit right there. You know what I'm saying? And I had my stop loss underneath that zone. And I was aiming for London high right here, which is over here. That's London high. And literally, like, bro, can't make it up, bro. Literally can't make it up. It literally tapped right onto it, man. It just another beautiful setup. Tapped right into it, and that was my third trade. I didn't share it with Instagram because, like, I don't know, I just set it, and then I just didn't have time to record it or anything like that. So this is the third trade that I took on SPX. So this was a good day, and yeah, it was just, you know what I'm saying. And that was it. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't trade SPX after that. Monday and Tuesday, that was SPX. I did not touch SPX after that. It was over with. I don't trade Wednesdays like that. Some days I do trade Wednesdays, but for the most part, I'm not touching Wednesdays. I've never had a really good trading day on Wednesdays, so I don't really touch it. And Fridays, it's on and off. Wednesdays is kind of like I'm definitely not touching it, but Fridays is optional. If it's really looking clean, I'll take it, but I'm iffy about Wednesdays and Fridays. Now let's go to NAS, man. Let's go to NAS, because y'all was killing NAS, man. Like, y'all was killing NAS, bro. So let's just go to Monday. Just like how SPX looked, this is another clean setup, man. Another clean setup. Level of support got created, and when I tell you, like, so many of my students caught this, like, bro, y'all caught this and y'all was going crazy. I don't know how long y'all held it, but this was an easy 125 pips, easy, like, easy, bro. Come on now, to the next bank level. Like, could have just held it, but I didn't take it. So if you took it, bro, shout out to you. I didn't take it. Now let's go to the Thursday's trade. This trade was kind of just a 5-minute level. Like, it was just something that I saw happening in real time and I took advantage of. So let's just slide this over just a little bit. Okay, now let's replay mode. Now again, New York Stock Exchange open is high risk. So let's look at the time. So we have 9:15, and then this is 9:30. Where we at? Oh no, that's not 9:30. That's 9:25. Now we got 9:30. Now this what motivated me to get in this trade, because just look at it. This was a level of support. This was only a level of support just because this candle wicked down into that zone and then pushed back up. Once it got back up in this area, I bought. Like, I already knew, like, they grabbed somebody. This candle grabbed somebody down here to go back up. So I entered a little bit before it broke the candle because I knew it was gonna break it. And my take profit was this double top right here. I didn't want to use Tokyo high. I don't know why. I just felt like this was more of a reasonable risk reward. I didn't want to do like a little 1-to-1. So this is basically like a 1-to-2 in a way. But I got it right here, and that was I think that was $1,100 win. I was done. Like, I was done. So yeah, that was really it. Like, I was just trading pure price action, and then Tuesday I traded a demand, which was beautiful. And that was it. Like, this week was very easy, very simple. Like, it wasn't nothing that I could change. Like, even though I lost on Tuesday, that first setup, I just knew that the setup wasn't ready yet. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get back in. I made it back, and then I did not enter it again for a demand. So this was just an easy week, man. And I had a bias that it was gonna be bullish regardless. So let me know if y'all caught any of these setups. I know for a fact Monday everybody was eating. If you wasn't on my Instagram story, everybody was eating on Monday on NAS, like everybody. But yeah, I'm just gonna be rocking with these two for a while, because I haven't even been looking at Euro USD or anything else. Like, I'm definitely not looking at US 30. I'm sorry, bro. Like, I don't retire US 30. I'm not touching that. But yeah, this is a good week, man. I hope y'all got some value out of just seeing the steps that I took, man. Let me know if y'all had a profitable week. Yeah. What's today? Saturday. Y'all should be doing some type of back testing or something, bro. Like, I'm probably, after I upload this video, I'm probably about to back test a little bit, get some food, and just chill. You know what I'm saying? This is a chill day. But yeah, that's all I got, man. Like, this is a good week. I feel good. Like, let's do it again. Like, show up next week, execute, do the same thing over and over. Like, I'm telling you, like, after a while, it's just repetitive. Like, okay, you lost. Okay, so what? Like, it's not the end of the world. Oh, you lost. Okay, you live to trade another day. That's just what it is. But that's all I got. Peace and love.